everyone.
Okay. Yeah, just imagine there's someone inside here, inside this thing here, and then you're talking to him.
Okay. Hello, someone.
Hello, we are going to Railay Beach. Here enjoying some coconut. 1, 2, go.
Hello, everyone.
Okay.
It feels kind of strange because you can't look at yourself. You don't know how you look.
Yeah, just imagine there's someone inside here, inside this thing here, and then you're talking to him.
Okay. Hello, someone who's sitting there. Okay, so we are on, what island is it?
Railay.
No, that's not Railay. Railay was, oh, it's Railay still?
Yeah, still Railay.
Okay, so we're on Railay Island. We came here by kayak.
Yep.
Leon at the beginning was like, oh, just like make sure you're very tired of paddling, blah blah blah. And then after like 10 minutes, he was like, shall we go on the shore? My hands are a bit sore.
No, I did not say that.
Yeah, you did.
Oh.
I'm sure he's gonna cut it from his vlog.
Right now we're headed to this Phra Nang Cave. She still can't see what is it inside.
What is it? Like, why is there so many?
What is it?
I think they're candles.
Alright.
They're definitely candles.
So I read online it's like this because they want to provide prosperity. Just went for a swim, and even if it rains right now, are protected by this cave.
I'll try my best.
Right now we're kayaking back to Railay Beach. Yeah, it's Captain Katerina here. The view though. Right now we're traveling back. Okay, so that's all for this video. She's leaving now, but I can see that my phone is quite blurry. So bye bye.